Holi is one of my favorite festivals, celebrated in India and other parts of the world. It is also known as the Festival of Colors or the Festival of Love. Holi is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Falguna, which falls in February or March. Holi is a festival that brings people together, regardless of their caste, creed, or religion. It is a time to forgive and forget, and to strengthen relationships. During this festival, people sprinkle colored powder and water on each other and smear their faces with different colors. This symbolizes the breaking down of barriers and the celebration of diversity. The festival also has a rich cultural and historical significance. Legend has it that Holi was initially celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. The story goes that there was a powerful demon named Holika, who had a boon that made her immune to fire. Her nephew, Prahlad, was a devout follower of Lord Vishnu, and his devotion angered Holika's brother, the demon king Hiranyakashipu. To punish Prahlad, the demon king ordered Holika to take Prahlad into a bonfire. However, due to Lord Vishnu's intervention, Prahlad emerged unscathed and Holika was burned to death. Apart from the historical significance, Holi is also a time to indulge in delicious food and sweets. Traditional Holi delicacies like gujiyas, mathris, and thandai are prepared and shared with family and friends. There is also music and dance, and people come together to celebrate and have fun. In conclusion, Holi is a festival that holds a special place in my heart. It is a time to celebrate diversity, forgive and forget, and strengthen relationships. Thus, Holi's cultural and historical significance, along with the food, music, and fun, make it a unique and enjoyable experience.